go. Here we go. Here we go. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to the show. I haven't done a live in a while on this. And welcome to the show. Now, I hope you have a great weekend. I'm just going to get into it. Kamala Harris has lost her mind. I don't think Kamala Harris is a lawyer. I don't think she was a great attorney general in California. And as far as vice president of the United States, nada. I'm going to play something on the on YouTube what she said yesterday on Meet the Press. Okay, I'm going to get it set up, ready to go. Give me a second. I got to make sure this is all right. All right, we got. All right, here commercial. All right, we're gonna wait for the commercial. I need to pay for that. All right, here we go. All right. So this interview lasted this part. Literally true in Michigan. That is a state where the state. All right. So this is gonna play this clip from PBS NBC News. No, that one. So I'm gonna play it, and this is what the interview. Chuck Todd, Kamala Harris heals up Kamala Harris, and this other woman. I won't even know her name. But I'm gonna play it. It's like 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna do my comments after that. Here we go. As you just heard the president say, abortion is on the ballot, and that is now quite literally true in Michigan. That is a state where the state Supreme Court yesterday allowed a referendum on abortion to make it onto the ballot this November. And as we saw over the summer in Kansas, that could be a big motivating factor for voters. Now, in his exclusive interview with the vice president, Chuck asked Vice President Harris about her confidence in the Supreme Court after its ruling earlier this year to overturn Roe v. Wade. She did not mince words.
We have some polling that shows confidence in the Supreme Court is at its lowest level that we've measured in over 20 years. How much confidence do you have in the Supreme Court?
I think this is an activist court.
What does that mean?
It means that we had an established right for almost half a century, which is the right of women to make decisions about their own body as an extension of what we have decided to be the privacy rights to which all people are entitled. And this court took that constitutional right away. And we are suffering as a nation because of it. That causes me great concern about the integrity of the court overall, especially as someone who my life was inspired by people like Thurgood Marshall, the work on that court of Earl Warren, to bring a unanimous court to pass Brown v. Board of Education. This is the court that once sat Earl Warren and Thurgood Marshall. Sandra Day O'Connor. It's a very different.
Where can I begin? All right, I'm going to set this straight. Roe versus Wade was unconstitutional. No. There is no where in the Constitution that abortion is legal or illegal. What that means to you, all you crybabies on the left, that means the decision goes to the states where it belongs. You know what? The key person on Roe versus Wade changed her mind a couple of years ago and say what was wrong, abortion was wrong, and should not be in the courts. Now this is a woman. This is a woman, Kamala Harris, who cheated with a married man. A married man. This is a woman as the Attorney General in California locking up black people for little ounces of weed. This is a woman that said that she smoked weed on a radio talk show. And this is a woman that has never ever been to the border. But all that Roe versus Wade was unconstitutional, and these women are having hissy fits about it. Point. This is here is the main thing is taxpayer money should not be paid for abortion. But it's gonna be real. This is gonna be real because I'm sick and tired of hearing this woman saying that she knows everything, but she has no clue whatsoever. She now I'm not saying this to be wrong, but she's saying, "Oh, it's about the women of color." The women of color, ladies and gentlemen, she supports a organization that was created by a racist. So why should I listen to a woman that's not even black? She is her father is Jamaican. That makes her a Jamaican American. I'm just saying. She is condemning the Supreme Court, but she did not condemn them when they said about the LGBTQXYZ community. She didn't say a word. That's not in the Constitution either, but they. Oh boy. Okay, here's the thing, ladies and gentlemen. I want to say this real quickly. We have less than 60 days to change the House and the Senate to Republican. Because if we change the Senate, she will have no power whatsoever as the tiebreaker. And now we're gonna let's go. Brandon's on Fox News. I gotta go. I gotta hear what this knucklehead has to say. But hey, go ahead and put those comments down there. I know you're gonna have a lot of it, but listen. Kamala Harris has no brains whatsoever. That is my opinion. All right, guys. I gotta go.